big surprise. As many of you know, Stranger Things has come out with Season 3, and this time around, they're going to be fighting bigger bad guys, and they are also going to be in theme of like July 4th, basically, like the whole Independence Day idea. So with that, Nike came out with a special collaboration between Stranger Things and Nike, and they had an Independence Day pack and a straight up Stranger Things theme pack. And the Independence Day were red, white, and blue, and the Stranger Things were the school colors, the green and orange, Hawkins High School. So they had 3 different shoes and a couple of apparel items. They had blazers, they had Cortezes, and they had tailwinds. And so the pair that I decided to order were the blazers. I felt like they fit my style the best. So today we're going to unpack them and see what they look like. So, a very cool bright green Nike box with the Hawkins High School logo right there on the side, the Tigers. Very cool. Blazers mid. Let's open it up. Wow! Some very cool wrapping paper. It says July 4th Parade, prep begins. And there's Hawkins Summerfest. It's the Hawkins Post. It's labeled since 1947. If we open it up, there's some stories here you can probably read. Wow! They look fantastic. So, here's the look at the right shoe. Very cool. The patch is pretty dope. It says Hawkins High School on there. And then on the inside here, get this out, we have a pin, 3 specialty pins. Let's see if I can get this out. So it has the Stranger Things pin, the Scoops Ahoy, which we saw from the trailer for Season 3, and then the Hawkins Physical Education from 85 pins. So 3 special edition pins. Very cool. And then on the tongue here, it says Stranger Things. Inside sole, actually, it also says Stranger Things, Nike, pretty epic. The orange is dope here, really bright. It's got like fantastic like etching and stuff. I have some socks, so I'm gonna try them on. On the inside, whoa! On the inside it says Tiger Pride for the school, which is pretty awesome. So I'm gonna go ahead and try these on. I love how deep they went. Like they really made sure that everything was like super connected and really in the storyline. Pair on with the Nike socks. They look very cool. They fit perfect. These are so cool. Looks fantastic. Let's see, look at it from here. Pick the right size. These are 10.5 on my foot. I love how the orange kind of stops here and it's just the lacing. I feel like it kind of focuses in on the patch here for the Hawkins High School. That's dope. Really great pair of shoes. That's awesome.